Shauna and I'm from Franklin, Massachusetts. And the thing I'm most excited for is probably meeting some of the girls that are going to be doing track next year.
Medford, Mass. I attended Medford High School and I decided to go to Holy Cross for the college experience.
Hi, I'm Emily. I'm from Bridgeton, New Jersey, and I chose Holy Cross because everyone's really nice here and everyone seems really dedicated to what they're doing.
I'm Mike Bolus. I'm from Needham, Massachusetts. I go to St. Sebastian's School. Today I'm really excited to learn about the study abroad program at Holy Cross.
Hi, I'm David. I'm from BRUIN, Pennsylvania. I'm excited to be at Holy Cross to meet the community here and the student organizations.
I'm Aiden Healy. I'm from Islip, New York. My favorite thing about Montserrat was how it combines all the classes together.
The Montserrat program is really cool. It's really diverse and allows you to meet new people, and the clusters are great.
What I really liked about Montserrat was that you get to just take courses outside of your major so that you can have like a broad area, knowledge about the world around you. Yeah, it's really cool.
Hi, I'm Madeline. I'm from California, and I'm really excited to try cheerleading and swim next year.
Hi, my name is Salma. I'm from Boston, Massachusetts. I'm super excited to attend Holy Cross next year. The campus is so beautiful.
Hi, my name is Courtney Vita and I'm from Denville, New Jersey.
I'm Corey, and I'm from Denville as well.
And I chose Holy Cross because I fell in love with campus and all the people here.
And it felt like home for me.